So I'm Rob Dugan. We've been in Peachtree City for about 19 years and in this home for about 17 years. Well, when we moved into this house that had a pool, we had never had a pool before. We were excited about that. A couple of years, 3 years into it, we had some structural issues with our landscaping, which caused us to start to reconsider the wisdom of a pool. Ultimately, we decided we needed to start over. So we scraped the entire backyard and started over. And that's when J&M Pool Company came to our side and helped us ideate, design, construct, and just make this a beautiful backyard. Well, you know, much like building a house, there's always a punch list. There's always, you're done, but you're not quite done. And so as we worked through the punch list, there's this realization at some point, we walk out of our back door, and the word that came to my mind was oasis. This feels like an oasis for us. And there was definitely a sense of pride and a sense of this feels really good. It feels like what we had envisioned. It feels comfortable. It feels like us. And there was that moment when everything was working and everything was coming together. The landscaping came together. The water features came together. The weather got right. And the kids were enjoying the pool. And we were cooking, steaks on the grill. And that moment when it all just comes together, Lisa and I both just looked at each other and we just said, like, this is why we did this. I think you can be on the front end about how you're going to use it, how you want to interact with it, and then dream a little bit, and then get something you're really comfortable with on paper, get into the computer model, use the 3D glasses, kind of walk through your environment. And then when it feels right, then you sit back and watch J&M go to work. And before you know it, you'll be in the 3D world without the glasses, so to speak. You were there. And so that would be my advice.